We have some pretty ugly looking markets right now. Well, when I say ugly, I don't mean they're, terrible. I just mean they're pretty boring at the moment. Not much is really going on. You can see on the day we've got quite a lot of red here. Things are moving down. However, Pepe does continue to shine. Pepe coin itself, as many whales continue to hold this meme coin right here. One of the larger meme coins, but I do think it's still a sleeping giant, and I do look forward to the day that it does potentially surpass a $10 billion market capital. So for Pepe, we can see on the week over here, the MC is down from 6.29 billion, had a low down to $4.85 billion, but on the day does actually show some signs of hopium. We're getting a bit of a bullish breakout here, and we're seeing some strong momentum to the upside over here for our dear friend Pepe the Frog. So yeah, just want to say, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe if you do wish to hit your crypto goals. We've just woken up and we want to make crypto content straight away. So we're just talking about it. 663k followers on Twitter now, and yeah, again, Pepe is just unbothered, oh no, he is moisturized and happy in his lane. He's just chilling, he's focused. So there's no need to panic, is what this message sort of tells you about Pepe coin. Maybe that's a very hidden message, and I think over the next few months we could still see Pepe go crazy. One thing Pepe has done on a technical side is slip away from its diagonal support. Not that it has an incredible meaning, but what's more significant is that you can see Pepe has came down to these support regions a couple times. You're looking at the 0.000011, so the low, very low 11s. That very low 11, the area there you're seeing, it's always been an interest, as you can see from this rectangle right here. That was a very good time to potentially, steal some. You wouldn't have done it manually because the price would just came back up way too quickly, but if you had buy orders potentially there, you would have done very well. So what we kind of need to see is good consolidation. This is now flipped into resistance, this region here, between sort of the 133, the 142 level, at the all-time high, of course, sits at 172, which seems like a lifetime away where we currently are. So to get back there, we need to move up 30%. With this correction that we've just had, I do think we could see, after all this is done, been and done, I do speculate that we could see that 1618 touch. I want to see Pepe get to 211. 211, so we're asking for a 64% increase. 27 could also potentially happen, which would be that 2x from here, and would also deliver the massive $10 billion milestone on the market capitalization. So just a few levels that really interest me. On the daily, the RSI has cooled off, which is always a good thing. We're away from those sell regions. We've come back down to lower RSI levels, which are more realistic for accumulating. Now, another interesting thing is the 4-hour RSI, because when you timestamp this right here, this moment here, where we went 28, 4-hour RSI, that is interesting because you might be inclined to have bought them, and you would have actually been temporarily down if you did buy them. But you can see already it has rallied above the price of what, if you were to have bought that oversold RSI, you would have had to suffer a little bit. But overall, you would still be just about in profit. So 4-hour RSI also reflecting that, a lot of selling has happened actually. We're not really in that sort of euphoria at all for the entire market, and we are kind of feeling that. Also, we'll talk about some other memes I'm buying at the moment. Won't go too deep on them, but we'll just mention their names as well, because there's a few that do excite me in this market, and I think this is a good opportunity in this Bitcoin season to be looking at, meme coins, altcoins, while they're kind of on the low. It's better to buy these things when they are on the low as opposed to when they're on the high. Honestly, if you look at the Bollinger bands right now on the daily time frame, you can see this is the first time in so long. Yeah, you know what? This is kind of adding up a bit more and more. This is the first time in a long time. You can see the last time that Pepe was under this 20-day moving average blue line was here in April. So yeah, you could argue not that long, just 48 days. But sure, yeah, 48 days is under now. So before it was over, you can see it began going over here. It lasted 53 days. A little bit less, my bad. 37 days on that particular rally. So each time you're going under, you're going over, you're going under, you're going over. And the last time it was under, where it began going under, then went back up, that took 50 days, as you see right there. So the bullish I can mark with yellow, so we can just see that a little bit easier. Here was the same thing, but now under. And then it went over, so 35 days on the under. And then the over section, as in we're above that blue line, which is the 20-day moving average on the Bollinger Bands. So we're really just using this to help us see the waves, the length of each kind of cycle, because you want to be buying ideally the meme coins in a bull market when you're below the blue line, and we are below the blue line. We're at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. That's a rare instance. If you were to have bought at the top each time, you'd be minimizing your upside potential every single time. And yeah, we could still go down. We could still go down a little bit further from where we are. I'm not saying that isn't possible. Last time we corrected from here down to here, 64%. At the moment, we've only corrected about 36%. So we could still speculate lower prices could come, but you know, it may not even happen. It might not even happen at all. So overall, feeling pretty confident for Pepe. Don't want this video to drag out too much. Quick note on the Patreon side. Thank you to everyone that has signed up, newcomers here and existing. If you do want to unlock over 500 trading signals per month, as well as early insights to meme coin signals, as well as early stealth launches and pre-sales, check out my wonderful Patreon page down below, where you can become a VIP and unlock all these benefits within my crypto Discord, which, by the way, you should also join by now over here. Say hello. This is the Discord channel. Over 26,000 members reside in here. So it's a great place to hang out if you like your crypto. Just want to chat with people about crypto. Links down below. So could Pepe be the next coin to rally 100% after FOMC meeting? FOMO. I always call it the FOMO meeting, but we're going to call it the FOMC meeting. Large investors continue to hold substantial Pepe supplies despite the recent price correction. Fools cut Pepe's likelihood of rallying by over 100%, increases amid boosting speculations for a September interest rate cut. So we might see some big stuff come in September, October. I said it already, the Burr months, September, October, November, December. These will be the months that we should see some parabolia for crypto. Now to wrap up this video, wow, we're nearly there. Sorry, I'm a bit breathless today. I've got hay fever and I can barely breathe out my nostrils. So I'm trying to make this video. You know what, I'm just going to take a second just to get my breath back. Yeah, hay fever sucks. It's like having one lung that works when you can't breathe through your nostrils. You got one working nostril, basically, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, so Turbo, I'm planning on buying very soon. Watch this space. Turbo, I can't breathe again. Brett, yep, another one. Base chain meme coin, and look how strong it looks. It looks so strong considering where we are in the markets. Not coin, whilst not a pure meme coin, they are using meme coins and leveraging their exposure to market on. And lastly, Ponke. So 3 other solid meme coins: Turbo, Brett, Ponke as well, that I'm looking at. Of course, not financial advice, but I will be buying some of each of these, I believe, and I think holding these for the next few months could be a very, very good thing to do. Not financial advice. Anyways, thanks for watching this video on Pepe. If you're new here, do subscribe, like, comment, and hopefully I'll get to see you in the Discord down below. If you did watch this video and you are going to join the Discord, when you message and enter the Discord, please post something like Pepe video 1206. That way I know that you joined from this video, and I'll literally manually reply to you. Like, I'll make that my best interest. See you soon, ladies and gents.